Hello, welcome to the Universal Pancake Store. Our team designed the structure of this pancake store and its UML class diagram. There are 4 roles in the pancake store. The first one is a manager, who can create all the accounting clerk and employee, also can retrieve all the customers. The second one is an accounting clerk, who can retrieve all the unfinished order, all the finished order, all the making order, and all the pancakes and drinks. The third one is the employee, who can make a pancake. The last one, and is the most important one, is the customers. The customers can choose a lot of combination of delicious food to customize a pancake and can order a drink. This is the UIM class diagram we designed. The 4 users here are generalization relationship to the person, and the relationship between customer and order is one-to-many, also is a conversation. The relationship between employee and making order is one-to-many, also is an aggregation. And the relationship between pancake and drink to the order is 2 aggregation here. The butter type and the paste type is enum here. We have a many-to-many relationship between store and position, and we have self-reference for the self-R table. As for the user-to-user relationship, I will demonstrate later. We use REST controller and JPA to interact with Angular. I think JPA part is not a big deal for the Angular part, as we are beginner of this, so we do not use login system like JWT. We write a simple login register system. The problem we meet is that how can we keep the login status for a customer? For example, making a pancake order or drinks with its customer ID. So we use the parameter of the router in Angular to pass the ID between each components. Let's begin our journey to explore the Universal Pancake Store. Let's suppose there are a few data stored in the database, so we should initial the database first. Click here. Refresh the database. Okay. And we should create the many-to-many relationship between stores and positions. Click here. And import all the reviews. Click here. And create the user-to-user relationship. Click here. Okay. If we want to run a pancake store, the first thing is we should create a manager. Username manager1, password I'm1. Let's leave all the other fields empty here. Click submit. Okay, refresh the database. Empty here. List managers. Let's do an update operation to this manager. I will give his salary 2000. First name manager. Last name QI. That's my last name. Phone randomly. Post. Okay, submit. Back to list. Refresh the database here. It works. Let's create another manager here to test the delete operation. Okay, 2 managers here. Delete one. It works well. Once we have a manager, we can use the staff portal to log into the manager interface. Manager1, I'm1. There are 2 ways to hire an employee. I will show you the first way. Username employee1, password E123, first name employee. Okay, that's all. Last name A. Let's leave these blanks empty here. Let's do an update. I will give his salary 1234. Phone randomly type. Address NU. Okay. So there are 1 employees here. And the second way is that if you want to join us, you can submit a application. Okay. The manager can decide whether to hire the employee candidates. List the employee candidates. You can choose delete or hire. I want to hire him. So it will go to the employee list. We can do an update here. Okay. Yeah, it works well. Also, we can create clerk here. Leave the fields empty here. Do an update to this clerk. 2000 is fine. Randomly type Boston. It works fine. So we have clerk now, we have employee now, but we don't have customers. And the customer is our very important role to give us income. We don't have customer here, so let's create a customer here. Frank 123. We do not register this account, so we should register first. Okay, username Frank, password F123. Frank. This is my friend. He lives in New York. Okay, submit. And if another user want to use the same username, let's see what's happened. Also Frank here. Leave this empty. This username has already been taken. Please change one. Okay. Let's log into my friend's account to make some orders. So this is the order list. Frank has no order here. Let's order pancake. Choose butter here. The most expensive one. Paste here. 10 eggs. Spicy sausage. Fried breadstick. Croissant. Okay, choose all. Submit. Okay, we have pancake here. You can notice that the price is $20 and is not finished yet. And create a drink here. My friend want a Coke. Also want a very special beverage in China. Okay, there are 3 orders here. Let's use the employee to make a pancake. Employee 1, E123. Choose employee here. Make a pancake. Okay, this is the most expensive pancake. Make. Back to the Frank. Refresh the order list. You can see the finished status become to true. Frank thinks this pancake is yummy, so he decided to order another one. Okay, so there are two pancakes here. One is finished, the other is not finished. Let's log into the clerk to see all the orders. Choose clerk here. Okay. So the clerk can retrieve all the finished order. The $20 one. Unfinished order. Or making order. The making order is an employee make a pancake, so it will create a making order here. All drink order. Two drink order. All the pancakes. All drinks. Okay. If you want to share our delicious pancake to your friends, you can go to the review part. There are a lot of review of other customers gave us. We have really high score here. And if I click detail, you can see the comments here. Finally, I want to show you all the CRUD options of the IDM interface. So list manager. I show you before, and the list clerk here. Let's do an update. Okay, works well. Also create another clerk. This one. Delete it. Works well. List employee. Update one employee. Delete one employee. Refresh here. Works well. List all the customer here. And create another customer. Delete it. Works well. List all the drinks. I want to update the Coca-Cola to the Pepsi-Cola. Okay, works well. Create another beverage. Delete one. Okay, the final is a user-to-user relationship. Fans like the ambassador of our store in different location. Delete one. Update one. Okay,